No.
My parents make legal.
Gases and is sensitive to 1 part per 100 million. Even on water, I can function normally by virtue of my aquatic synthesizer. For the ultimate in defense systems, my engineers have provided me with a highly sophisticated and elaborate electromagnetic generator. Thank you for coming to this show to see me. I'm afraid I will be unable to answer any of your individual questions because I'm currently programmed to provide information of a general nature. Alien subjects with the ability to freeze frame, zoom, and issue hard copies. In conjunction with my traffic, I can display vital signs and X-rays.
Yes.
And also the lights light up in the skull at night. So, you know, they light up and then we hit the brake.
They got
second place Best of Show, and third place for Best of Show as well for $100. $25 entry fee. We're gonna have food trucks on site as well. That's gonna be 10 a.m. A little bit of break. We'll do the national anthem, and they'll be going back on at 12. Enjoy the show and enjoy the beautiful weather, and support our vendors. Thank you.
Get some hot dogs. I'm hungry. We've been down here for like 10 minutes. I'm so hungry.
You don't see that too often anymore. And no, that's where you sign up if you got a show car. That's the registration. Yes.
Will you let him down?
get these little unwanted chips.
James, this is the Tesla that you can make farts on any seat you want.
Well, that's kind of neat.
Mm.
Didn't know they made it with 3 seats.
Oh, and there's back seats. Yeah, there's seats in the back. Oh, James.
So what Tesla is this?
Model X.
Model X? I don't know. Is it?
See?
No, it's a plaid.
It's a Tesla Pop.
Yeah, it's got the ones that got the doors that go up, right? You like that one?
Model X didn't go up there.
Oh.
This is the one that you can make farts.
Fart sounds
Yeah.
for the horn?
No, for the seats.
Oh. Because it's electric, remember?
Yeah. No need gas.
even if he falls asleep.
Oh, he's got an old school motorcycle inside too.
Is that old school? There's a flag. What is that?
That's the motor. In older vans, the motor is underneath the seats.
Is it a name or something?
She's probably still sleeping.
Use that one. Use the one on the go. On the way back.
We're gonna keep going down the middle, guys.
That's a good call.
Yeah, keep going. Don't touch. Keep your arms in. James, is this one your favorite at the show today? Yeah, that's your favorite?
My name is Kit.
This one and this one are my favorite.